Yeah, we are on derivative of trigonometric function. The way I will do it, I arrange it in tabular form so that you can easily remember it. So the first trig function we have here is sine. So we have sine yo. And again, I will be using chain rule. You know the general way of doing that. So we asked to differentiate sine yo. The derivative of sine u is cos u after you differentiate u. That is, you multiply by the derivative of u, which is u prime. You know, we can write derivative as prime. So that's it. So once you have to differentiate sine of any variable here, just is cos that variable times the derivative of the variable, whatever that is here, the function. So again, if you differentiate cos, we have minus sine. So after, if you differentiate tan u, you know tan means sine over u. So in case if you see sine over cos, they are the same. So the answer is sec squared. You after you add prime. You know sec squared is 1 over cos squared. So again, if you ask to differentiate sec u, so the answer is tan u sec u. So tan sec after you add the derivative. So always remember this. It will help us to solve questions fine, especially OBJ question. So again, if you ask to differentiate cos, that's 1 over tan or cos over sine. The derivative is minus cosec squared. So after you add prime, u prime, derivative of u. So finally, if you're asked to differentiate cosec, the answer is cot minus cot u cosec u. So after you add prime. So with this, we can solve questions involving trig, that's differentiation of trig functions. So let me just use an example, simple example to illustrate this. We have example. If you are asked to evaluate the derivative of maybe sine 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. Again, you're asked to find the derivative of maybe cosec 4x plus 5. So let me use these two to show you what the use of that table. So the first thing, remember I told you this is sine u. This is sine u, and the derivative of sine is, that I'm saying that d over dx of sine 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. Remember, in our formula we have u prime. U prime means the derivative of anything here. So we need to differentiate this. So we differentiate, which is 4x plus 4. So that's the derivative of inside using power rule. Finally, the derivative of sine is cos. And remember, the original function, the inner function is 2x squared plus, so the answer is 2x squared. That's 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. So that's the answer. So again, the second one, the derivative of cosec 4x plus 5. Remember, cosec is minus cot, so minus cot. Let me give it space. So the derivative of cosec is minus cot cosec, so cot. Remember, this is the inner function 4x plus 5. y cosec the same 4x plus 5. Finally, you differentiate this, and if you differentiate it, it's 4. So that's the answer. So you don't need to waste your time on it.